Hello students, I am moving on to one more question from business letter that I will explain in this tutorial audio presentation. Catalog of books. This is related with the topic catalog of books. So the question goes like this. You are Ashwini Meena of C23 Chitra Park, Jaipur. Write a letter to MS Full Marks Private Limited, Daryaganj, New Delhi, asking for a catalog of books, terms and conditions of supply, and mode of payment. So you are actually writing this particular letter to bookseller and publisher by the name of Full Marks, and it is in Daryaganj. So how will you proceed writing it? So at the very beginning, with the landmark address, you have to write that, you have to specify that one. So again in the left hand side you have to write, but see, it is given in the question only. It is already mentioned in the question. From there you can easily copy it. C23 Chitra Park, Jaipur. Then you can give a date and a year. You can specify a year also, like 25th May. Then you can specify a year. Then to whom you are writing, that will be in the next line. Full Marks Private Limited, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Now the address part is over. That means some part of your work been done. One step is completed. Now we are moving on to the next step. Subject: request for catalog. Now how can we proceed? Sir, I am interested in purchasing a few of your publications on spoken English by VPP. That means by, you can say by courier. By courier, you want to purchase some items from that particular publication house or publishing house. I shall be very obliged. Grateful means I shall be very obliged if you send me the latest catalog on these books. Now obviously maybe you have mentioned a book list, and that you want to know from this publishing house the prices of these books that you have already sent. Please specify if any audio or video cassette are also available along with the books. Now you want to know that apart from the books that you have sent, the list you have sent, whether related to those books, is there any audio or video cassettes available? That will be great if it is available. I am enclosing a self-addressed envelope for prompt dispatch. Prompt means quick. So you are already enclosing a self-addressed envelope so that the matter can be taken very seriously by the publishing house and they can reply you at the earliest. So that was the main reason you are enclosing a self-addressed envelope for prompt dispatch. I am also interested in knowing your terms and conditions regarding the payment, time and mode of delivery, etc. Now I want to know from you your terms and conditions, because every business organizations, whether dealing in books or whether dealing in stationery items or products of daily use, or that is daily commodities, every business organization, shops, every dealers, they have some terms and conditions. Related to that they give discounts. Related to that they highlight their price for various items. So in the business letters, this terms and conditions is a very common term that you have to mention every now and then. And I told you when I gave some rules and guidelines related with business letters that it should be specific and most importantly it should be to the point. So I am repeating once again. Please specify if any audio or video cassettes are also available along with the books. I am enclosing a self-addressed envelope for prompt dispatch. I am also giving a self-addressed envelope so that the business transaction can be initiated very promptly and very smoothly. I am also interested in knowing your terms and conditions. I already told you that when we are writing about business letters, terms and conditions are a must. It should be mentioned. Now terms and conditions regarding what? That one also you know by this time. Regarding the mode of payment, time of delivery, mode of delivery. Mode of delivery means whether it will be by cash or check or account pay. whatever it might be. So the mode of delivery is very important in a business transaction process. The mode of delivery is also very important. That also you will clearly specify in your letter. So I repeat, I am also interested in knowing your terms and conditions regarding the payment, time and mode of delivery, etc. Hoping you would look into my request on priority. Now obviously at the very end, you are very polite as a professional man also. You are saying that hoping your matter will be taken into due consideration and it will be given the highest priority. So you are mentioning it because this is what we call, it is related with professional ethics. So this line is related with that professional ethics, that hoping you would look into my request on priority. That means my matter will be taken into due consideration and prior importance, topmost priority must be given to my situation. So after that, after it is done or after you have written it, then in the next line, leaving a line, again in the left hand side, yours faithfully, then you give a name, like here it is given Ashwini Meena. So that was another topic that I discussed regarding catalog of books, request for catalog. So I guess it is also clear to you, dear students. In my next audio presentation, I will discuss some more questions related with this business letter. Till then, you listen to this audio presentation, and if there is any doubt, kindly let me know. Thank you, students. Thank you all.